So, Junkaholics, what we're doing today is unboxing the Pop Voice wireless lavalier microphone 2-pair set. I got this because the wind has been interfering with my voice. There has been a lot of wind noise. Wind noise in a video is just annoying. This seemed to be a really good price compared to others. We'll see how it works. So you get two microphones, it looks like. The receiver. On the back here, it has plug and play, 66-foot transmission range, smart noise reduction, stable transmission, long battery life, and omni pickup. So we're gonna unbox this. Nice little metal case. Turn this around. Nice see-through window. Okay, so first thing I see are the two wireless mics with a foam sock. The receiver with the lightning plug. Obviously I'm an iPhone user, so it's the reason why I chose iPhone. Okay, here is a charging cable with dual charging ports, one USB cable, so that's handy. Charge both of them at once. Well, a couple extra foam socks. What's this? Oh, here's a furry sock for better noise reduction. An extra microphone clip in case you break one. And then it comes with a user manual. A very basic user manual, but if it works as good as it says, I guess you don't need a lot of direction. So what we'll be doing is we're gonna finish this video up outside. It's a very windy day. I'm gonna compare no microphone to with just the microphone, and then microphone with the windsock. So to see if there's any difference in audio quality. So it'll take me a few minutes to get ready to go outside, but we'll see you out there. So for the purposes of this video, I picked the windiest place in the yard. This right now is without the microphone on, and hopefully this gives you a good example of what it sounds like with no microphone. So what I'll do next is I'll plug in the receiver, turn on the microphone, and we'll do the one with the foam only. It's time for joke of the day. So, because it is Easter weekend, I'm going to keep up the theme of religious. So, the joke today is, there's this priest drowning in a river. And this boat pulls up and he says, "Hey, can I help you?" The priest says, "No, God will save me." So the boat drives away. The next boat comes along And he says, "Sir, can I help you?" The priest replies again, "No, God will save me." That boat drives away. Third boat and final boat pulls up, says, "Hey, can I help you?" Again, the priest replies, "God will save me." Guess what? The priest drowns. Goes up to heaven, meets up with God, and he says, "God, why didn't you save me?" God replied, "Well, I sent you 3 fucking boats." So we're back. Here's the microphone. The green light is on, so we know there's power. And it's supposed to automatically pair. The one thing I didn't notice while I was unboxing is there's a port in the side of the receiver. And that is for that you can charge a microphone directly from your phone, which I think would be pretty handy. So next I'll get the windsock on the microphone and we'll test that voice quality. So now this is the microphone with the feathery windsock on it. You have to pull the foam piece off before you can put this on. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to review these videos and see what sound quality is best. And in the comments, you tell me which one sounded best to you. I'll be back. So in conclusion to this unboxing and review, as you notice, the very first, without the microphone, just the bare iPhone, there was a lot of wind noise. Correct me if I'm wrong, but the microphone with just the foam sounded just as bad, if not worse, than the straight iPhone. But the third test with the feathery windsock on it, I was actually quite impressed at how much wind was reduced. You did still hear a little bit of background wind, which you're going to, but it really seemed to clear up my voice. And that's all I got to say. It was $37.99. There was a $10 coupon, so $27.99. It was a good fix for what I needed for. Let's face it, I'm a scrapper. I don't need the best video sound. I don't need to spend $300 on a microphone like, say, someone like Mr. Beast does. We're scrappers. Our whole business is making noise. So I'm going to give this a 2 thumbs up. For the price, you can't beat it. The link for Amazon will be up in the description. Yes, it's an affiliate link. Get over it. I don't make that much off of it. I think it's like 4%. But I would appreciate it if you bought one, you bought it through my link. I can make a few pennies back. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. You know the stuff. And we'll talk to you next time.